what you see as you look around the collaboration area, a lot of different screens, a lot of different devices. Really what that amounts to is just a lot of different use cases that we can use the same technology to help solve. So what you'll see is there are some devices where it's a big 55-inch screen and some devices that are desktop systems. The idea is that these endpoints are basically driven in the same manner. They sit on the same piece of infrastructure. They all have the same user interface as well. So all of your banking experts are going to essentially have to learn one way to work, and then that applies to all of the technology. It really just comes down at the end of the day to a use case. So if I have a large conference room, I probably would want something bigger than just a small desktop on my small desktop endpoint here in that room. So all of these endpoints, all configuring like they are the same, then it's just a matter of how do you want your users to interact with the technology, and how can you offer value to your customers. The sort of lowest common denominator for your internal users reaching out to one another would be our enterprise collaboration application, which is called Jabber. Are you familiar with Jabber? Have you heard of it before?
Jabber. Cisco Jabber.
All right. Well, let's talk about it a little bit. With Jabber, what you have is basically your tools to communicate with other users within the bank. Right. So not only can I see my own contacts, I can see their presence information, so I can see what they're doing, if they're available or not. I can also see users that aren't in my contact list, but maybe have a certain level of expertise.